Hey guys, to fix high ping and packet loss in CS2, you need to do this. First of all, open up Steam, go to library, go to CS2, right click on it, properties, general, and on launch options, you need to put these commands. I will leave in the description of this video below so you can easily copy and paste. And after you do so, then you need to look if the problem persists. But the next step, what you need to do here, you need to open up settings. Then you need to look for network and internet. Then you need to go to advanced network settings, then select your internet connection here, and then look for more adapter options. Then select Internet Protocol version 4. Select this option here, use the following DNS server addresses, and on preferred DNS server, you need to write 8.8.8, and alternate DNS server need to write 8.8.4.4. Apply the changes, and then you need to open up CMD, right click on it, run as admin, and then you need to put a few commands here. First one is IP config /flush DNS. Then another command is nash winsock reset. And then another command is IP config /renew. And after that, your problem should be fixed. So yeah, that's pretty much it. And if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care.